कुछ होगा।
Yesterday I have explained some of the shortcut keys, right? Do you remember those shortcut keys? Please respond, guys.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the command for copy?
Alt W.
Alt.
One second, tell ma'am.
For file creation,
Control X
Hmm.
and K.
Control X and Control F.
No, for file creation, not for file back.
Control L, Control F, madam.
Control X and Control F.
Oh, okay, good. For drive, for opening drive,
Control X and
D.
D.
for refreshment,
Control R.
R.
Alt R.
cut,
End, ma'am.
for cut.
Control W.
Control W.
Okay, for initial caps,
Alt plus
Alt
C.
plus C.
C.
Alt plus C, ma'am.
for splitting two windows,
Control X. Control plus X plus 2, ma'am.
okay. For closing,
Control plus X plus K.
no,
Oh,
no,
oh, oh. Zero. Oh,
closing,
oh. Yes, ma'am. Oh.
not O zero.
Zero,
0.
zero.
Okay.
That's zero,
Sorry.
though.
Uh,
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry. Zero.
it's okay. Delete, for delete,
DX.
DX, ma'am.
DX, ma'am.
DX.
Yes.
okay. For rename,
End, ma'am.
for
MX.
rename,
MX, ma'am.
moving,
MX, ma'am.
MQ.
MQ.
M.
MQ, MQ.
Thank you.
for
Sorry, ma'am.
folder creation, folder create.
Shift plus.
Shift plus, ma'am.
Shift
Plus.
plus.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Today I have shared that Epsilon software link. Please download it and try it.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Please share,
Okay.
ma'am. Please share the link, ma'am.
Already I have
Share our
shared.
group. Share our
Okay.
group, ma'am.
Okay.
Akila, please share that links.
Yes, ma'am, I'll share them.
Okay. In Word document, we will replace all the commands and entities, right? So for replacing for bold, what command we will use in Word document?
Control H.
Control H.
Control D, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me, guys. In Word, after conversion, in Word itself, we will replace some entities and
Command.
commands, right?
Control H.
Control H, ma'am.
No, no, no. For bold, what command we will use?
Control plus B.
Control D.
Control B. Yes. Here, some of the people they are using only B. Don't use only B. You have to use bold because the client requirement is totally bold, not B tag. Okay.
Okay.
In HTML, we will use the tag.
B tag. B tag. Okay, ma'am.
Nikita, I'm not able to open the document, Nikita.
Why, ma'am?
I don't know. See here. Now it is open.
Shall I resend, ma'am?
Wait a second. I'll check.
Okay.
Did you replace all the entities in this Word
Ah,
document?
yes, ma'am.
After that, you have to convert from Word to text file. Okay.
Ah, yes, ma'am.
Further, the text in that text file content will be there, right? The text we will use further.
Okay, ma'am. I send directly Word document, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
I didn't convert the text document.
But you have to convert from Word to text file. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
It is taking lot of time to open this document. I don't know. I'll continue new session today. New session means epsilon shortcut keys only.
Okay, ma'am.
The remaining things are there, right? So I'll explain.
Okay.
Here two dots are there, right? After opening epsilon editor, some dots will be there like this, two dots. Here I want to open the directory. Now we are in D drive, training folder and material folder. Inside that, two dots will be there. Here just keep it the cursor there and press V. Automatically it will open the directory like this. And here PDF formats also it is there, and XML files also it is there. If you want to open the document, any document, PDF format or XML text file or doc file, anything, just keep it the cursor before that file and press V. PDFs also automatically it will open. Okay, drive completed, folder and file rename. Oh, sorry. Last time I have converted from PDF to doc to text file, right? In this path I have saved all the files. So here in epsilon we have to open the text file. Just keep it the cursor before that file. Now I want to open the text file and enter. It will open. See here that bold text should come here. So manually we can't do. This is a mistake. So we have to correct. Manually we can't do. So for that one command is there. Replacement command. Sorry, this is a replacement command. Alt R.
R.
Alt R. So after opening a text file, we have to highlight the elements. So for that one, color mode we have to do. The command is all text HTML hyphen mode. All text. Please observe here. All text HTML hyphen mode and enter. See here. All the tags it will be highlighted. Like that we have to do, and select it. Shift Alt left arrow and only shift and left arrow. Like that we have to select Alt R. What is the command for replacement? Alt R. Alt R. Copy. What is the command? Alt W. Copy command. Alt W. Copy. Enter. In which place whatever it is there, just delete it and paste it. Before we have copied, right? That thing you have to paste. Control Y. This symbol also we need to cut. What is the command? Control W. For cut, Control W. After the closing tag, we have to paste that symbol. Don't type, just copy and paste it. Control Y. If you want this symbol means shift enter you have to do. Shift enter. Some people they'll do like this. Shift and 6 they'll press and 7 also. In word only we have to normal J. Like this they'll do. This is not correct way. Shift enter you have to do. Shift enter and enter. Here first we need to check it whether it is processing correct or not. So for that one comma we need to press comma. It is correct only. So for next occurrence press space bar and again comma space bar comma space bar comma, like that we have to do. So we can't do by every time comma and space bar, right? So for at a time replacement, shift 1 we have to press. Shift 1. Shift 1. Automatically in all the document it will replace. After that we have to save the file. Then only it will save. For saving, what is the command? Control X, S. Control X and S. Same like this only. For italic also we have to do. First we'll check it. And also wrong only. We need to correct it. But here some number is there. I'll explain that one also. Here with digit it is there. Here without digit. So first we'll replace without digit. Select it. Shift Alt left arrow. Again Shift left arrow. We have to select Alt R. Copy Alt W. Enter. Paste. In width we have to paste. And in width place we have to correct. Control W for cut, and after closing italic tag we have to paste the symbol. Control Y and enter. Comma, it is correct only, and again space bar. So every time we can't do comma and we can't use comma and space bar, right? So for at a time replacement, shift 1. Shift 1 and save. What is the command for save? Tell me.
Control X is
And S.
Yes, Control X and
Yes.
S. Now with the number we have to replace. Here. For normal things we have to do replacement. Only Alt R we need to use. One more replacement also it is there. In middle of taggings some numbers it will come, right? For that thing we will do grouping. So for that one we will call regex. Alt star. So here number is there. Just select everything. Shift Alt left arrow and again Shift left arrow. Here, Alt star we have to use. For normal replacement, Alt R. Here for regex, Alt star. Shift Alt star we have to use. Here number is there. So for the number we have to do grouping. Just select the number, only number. Instead of number, we have to use parentheses, braces, and square braces. For numbers 0 to 9. And here 1, 2, 3 like that, it is that means increment. So plus we have to, for increment, plus we need to use. Like that for digits we have to do grouping. After finishing grouping, just select everything, Alt W, enter. In which place we have to paste, Control Y. Here we need to correct that. Italic. This italic tag should come before the new line here. The symbol is there, right? Before that we have to paste. And this, for rejects we will use Shift Alt star, right? So on that time not extra, this percentage will come. So in with place we have to remove, delete it, and closing italic tag and new line and grouping. Here numbers, whatever the numbers are there, that numbers should be there. So in with place for that grouping we need to use, this is first group, right? So we have to do #1. First group means #1 we need to give. Two groups means #1 #2 like that, and enter. Comma, first we need to check, comma, it is coming properly. So next space bar, comma, and 3 also it is coming properly only. Now we can replace at a time. Shift 1. Now we need to save, Control X, S. Like that we need to use regex command. Okay. And Control S. We need to search Control S, brace, and ampersand #X2019 and semicolon. I'll show in the document. In PDF, we need to find out the content. So Control F, Control V, enter. Here, this is left side symbol and this is right side symbol. Single quotes only, but left side is different and right side is different. So for left side, what is the code? 2018, and for right side 2019. Here, what we have done, 2019, it is there. So we have to change that code. Just select with brace, and in these cases we can use replacement. By manually we can't view, right? So first we'll search how many uh, how many is there, this opening and 2019 entity. Just select it and search. Control S again we have to do here. Select it, Alt R. Here I'm doing replacement, normal replacement. Alt R, copy it and enter. With place we need to paste, Control Y. Here we need to change the code. For this one, 2018 and enter. We need to check it, comma and spacebar. Fifth one, at a time replacement we need to do. While doing replacement, if you have done any mistake, means just cancel it. For cancel, Control G. Same like that only. For double quote, we will search Control S, opening brace, ampersand hash X 201 C, capital C. It's not there. We'll find out in PDF. Double quote. In PDF, double quotes are there, but in that text file it is not there. We'll check it. Control. This content we need to find out in epsilon editor. So we need to copy this content and we'll find out in epsilon editor. The command is in epsilon searching. Control S, Control T and Control Y. Control S, Control T and Control Y and enter. It's there. Entities also got replaced. See here. This is left side single quote and this is right side single quote. Here also mistake happened. Okay, space also is there. Okay, here also. These things also we have to change. Whether space is there or not. Yes, the space also it's there. Just select it, copy, or you can do replacement. Alt or copy, enter, paste it in with, and here we need to change the code 2019. We need to give. Enter. Here
Don't understand, ma'am.
Here, one more thing we have to search. Control S, opening italic tag and closing italic tag also. Here, just select it and search it. Control S. This is forward search. For reverse search, Control R.
Guys, we are understanding.
For reverse search, Control R. This is for reverse search. For forward search, Control S. So these things also we need to delete. So just select the empty taggings, Alt R, replacement we have to do. Enter. In which place, just empty. Don't give anything. Enter and press comma, space bar. So for at a time replacement, shift 1. Save it. Control X S. Before creating XML files, in text file we have to correct everything. Whatever I'm showing here, that things also you have to practice. And this one also wrong. We have to correct this one. What is wrong means here space is there. After closing tag, we have to give the space. Like this we have to do. So select it. Reverse search I am doing. Control R. Here it is showing failing. So there is no errors like this. Enter. Select it and again Alt R. Copy it. Enter. Paste it. And remove space. And after closing tag, we have to give the space, single space only. Enter. Comma, space bar. 1 or 2 times we have to check. After that, we can use shift 1 for at a time replacement. Again, we need to save. Control X S. And one more thing, double spaces also should not be there. Control S. We need to find out. Control S and double space. Alt R, double spaces. Correct. Alt R, double space. Enter. In which place? Single space we have to give. Enter. Comma. Space bar, comma, space bar. Like that we have to correct. After correcting these double spaces, we have to do for tabs also. Shift 1. Save. Control X S. Control S. Tab. Enter. These tabs also should not be there. We have to remove. Select that tab and Alt R. Enter. Same with place. In with place, single space we have to give. Enter. Comma, space bar, comma, space bar. After correcting everything, that means 1 or 2 times we have to check. After that, directly we can use a shift 1. Control X S. Control S. Double spaces. One more time. I am checking. Yeah, also it is there. Alt R. double space, and in which place single space we have to give enter. Shift 1. Again we have to check. Alt double space, enter, same single space only. Shift 1. We need to repeat. Here 0 0 it is showing. That means all the spaces are over. Control S tab I'm searching. Here also there is no tabs. And after that, in middle of this paragraphs, extra new line spaces are there. These lines also we have to remove. So Alt R, Shift Enter, Shift Enter. For new line, Shift Enter we need to press. Here 2 times we need to press Shift Enter. After that, Enter. In width place, Shift Enter and Enter. Here we need to check it. Comma, it's removing extra new line space. Next, space bar, comma, space bar, comma. It is correcting. So shift 1. Sorry, tell me. I can't audible your voice. Hello. Hello, can you hear me? Hello, Akila, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Someone is saying something.
Yes, ma'am, but I didn't get that.
Akila, are you understanding what I am explaining?
Yes, ma'am, I'm getting.
Okay. Alt R, Shift Enter and Shift Enter. Enter. Same thing. Comma, space bar. Shift Enter. Save. Control X. Yes. If you will change something means we have to save. Then only it will save the all the content. Otherwise it will delete. Everything completed. And here also, see numbers are there. Between numbers, some hyphen is there. Here we have to give the entity n dash ampersand hash x2013 and semicolon. Like this we have to do. Wherever the numbers are there, between the numbers, and then I will find out. Here also we can do regex. Shift Alt star, and for these numbers we need to do grouping. Braces and square braces 0 to 9 and increment plus we need to do, and for these numbers also we need to do one more group 0 to 9 and plus. Select everything and enter. In which place we need to paste. The first group, what we need to give? Hash 1. For this hyphen we need to give entity, and for second group hash 2. Here we need to remove the hyphen, and instead of hyphen we need to give entity ampersand hash x 2013 and semicolon. Here ampersand hash, extra hash we need to use while doing regex. Enter. Here we need to check whether it is changing the code or not. 1872-1942. Instead of hyphen, it should come 2013, comma 1872. Instead of hyphen, entity is coming, and 1942. That is correct only. And for next occurrence, space bar. Same, 1870 and 1930. It is replacing perfectly. So then we can use shift 1. Wherever the numbers are there, between numbers hyphen it will be there, right? For that one, by manually we can't give. So by using regex we can replace. After that we need to save the file. Control X S. In this PDF, a lot of paragraphs are there. This is in normally in HTML. For this one, for this title we will call H1 tag. We will use H1 tag, but in XML different tag we will use. Here paragraphs are there. So for each paragraph we need to apply para tagging. Here starting of the para opening tag we need to apply, and in ending para closing tag we have to like this. We need to apply the taggings, and that too according to the client requirement we are using taggings, right? So we'll check it. only P they are using for para tag. So here also we need to use para for para tag, P tag. We need to use. For each paragraph we can't give by manually. But this one also it will take lot of time, right? Next we have to apply the para taggings. So here also we can use replacement command. What is the command for replacement? Alt R. Alt R, Shift Enter, Enter. Shift Enter means new line. And in width place, first we need to give closing para tag. After that, new line. Shift Enter for new line. Shift Enter we have to do. And opening para tag. If you do like this means it will come wrong. Enter. Come on. See here. In ending, it is coming opening tag. That means that is wrong, right? So here we can cancel. What is the command for cancel? Control Z. So Control Z, and for undo F9. Undo F9. Press F9. Again and replacing. Alt R, Shift Enter, Enter. First we need to give closing tag and new line, Shift Enter and opening tag, Enter. Here we'll check it. Comma, it is coming properly. For closing tag it is coming. For opening also, opening tag is applying. So that is correct only. So directly we can use Shift 1. Automatically it will replace in all the places. Alt down arrow we have to use. In ending extra opening tag it will be there. Just cut it. This one empty para taggings. You should not use. Just delete it and Alt upper arrow. Here extra opening tag we need to provide. So already it was there in down. So we have to paste. Control Y. And here we need to save the file. Control XS. Like this we have to replace in this text document. Okay. And here also para tagging is there. After para tagging, single space is there. This one also wrong. Like this we have to correct. Just select it. While doing replacement, we have to select from back side, not front side. Okay. Select it. Alt R. Copy it. Enter. Control Y. And here we need to remove the single space. Enter. Comma. Space bar. Comma. Space bar. And after that Shift 1. Control X S. Like this we have to replace all the things. One second. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Today I have explained lot of things, right? Do you remember? If you have any doubt, just ask me. I'll explain one more time also. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, tell
In
me.
this we are for paragraph in this we are using p tag, right? Like
Yeah.
HTML,
Yes, yes.
not a PARA tag, ma'am.
No, 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 no.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, please send these comments to us, ma'am.
Sorry. Repeat once
Comments,
again.
ma'am.
Commands.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Today I have explained very less commands only, but in text file we have to practice. See, by you, what for replacement thing only we are using lot of things, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
For bold and italic, spaces and tabs and entity also 2018.
Yes, ma'am.
Like that we need to use lot. Today I have explained only this much commands only. But you have to practice. Akila, please share it everything to others. Okay. Yeah, that's it. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll explain some of things.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay then. Thank you everyone. Bye. But please practice.
Okay,
Install
ma'am.
install all the softwares. Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.